Hi guys, welcome to Tech Sunjay YouTube channel. Today you will know the WhatsApp notification means importance of the WhatsApp notification. Okay, some will say my notification will not display at the topmost of my screen. Anyone who message me, the notification is not display. Okay, so I made this video for this person, that person. Okay, to fix the notification. Okay, reset the notification. Then final topic I can include that the how to reset the notification and that default notification setting. Okay, of WhatsApp. Okay, then let's begin. Open our WhatsApp application and go to the more option, that is three dot option, and click on setting. Okay, click on setting and you will click on notification, third option, that is notification. You will click on it and you will see that these are the notification setting. Okay, if anyone travel that the notification is not display, okay, then click on more option. Okay, and you will see that reset all notification setting. You will click on, you will see that this become the default notification setting, hence your problem will be solved. Okay, thanks.